Practically, the social compact has been abandoned. What that means, comrades, is that there is no program to address these challenges of unemployment, poverty. It doesn't exist. And the president was talking the other day about, or the other week, about launching a second phase of a partnership between government and business. That second phase is addressing a fraction, maybe 5% of what was part of the social compact. You abandon the 95% and implement the 5%. It's not going to solve our problems of unemployment or poverty and all of that. I'm saying that's a practical reality we're facing. But this matter was raised with regard to this renewal. Why does our National Executive Committee take a very, very strange position? National Conference says, National Executive Committee, you must draw up a plan of action with time frames and dates and so on for renewal. That was December 2022. Nothing has happened. Instead, the NEC sets up this other committee to oversee the implementation of a program that doesn't exist. How do you explain that? I'm saying, how do you abandon a comprehensive social compact, that process, and then say we're going to implement 5% of the social compact? And it's not going to solve the problems of unemployment and poverty.